Hi you guys, it's Lisa. Thanks for stopping at my channel. I have no idea why I lost all my audio today, so I'm just going to voice over. I am getting ready to go on a trip to Arizona, and I'm going to show you what I am putting in my travel kit. So in case we have a rainy day or something, I'll be able to create with you. This is really hard for me to do right now, but we will get through it together, and I hope that this isn't too crazy of a video for you, but I didn't want to redo it all over. So baby wipes are going in my kit. You can never have enough baby wipes, even if you have them in the car when you're traveling. I put together this notebook that I had laying around, and the front side here is all of my mixed media art notes that if I come across something, I have an idea that's going on in my head, I can write them in here. And I'm also redoing the 12-week course starting from week 1, the Find Your Joy by Louise Fletcher. So I'm starting over, and I am working in this little journal, writing down ideas and going through all of the lessons. So I'm not sure what I'm showing you here, but color combinations, ideas that I come up with go on this side of my little journal here, and I keep it with me always. This journal will go in my purse. So the other side, I flip it over, and this side is my watercolor exploration that I'm working on right now. Anything that I have to do with watercolor, the ideas for watercolor will go in the other side of this journal. I feel that it works really well like this, and I'll take this with me for sure wherever I go. Of course, I'll have my camera, so I'll take lots of pictures, and who knows if I'm going to even use any of this stuff in this kit. I remember when I went to Texas last year, I packed a great big kit, and I never created at all. It was a waste of luggage space, but we'll try it again. Here is a sketchbook I'm taking with. A few of the pages I did put gesso on today, and they are dry. We are ready to go, and it is a watercolor sketchbook, so it has really thick paper, and if I want to use acrylic markers or paint, I have some that are gessoed and ready to go. Depends on what is going to happen with my creativity, right? Maybe nothing at all, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so then I also have these plastic sleeves that I'm going to put in the sketchbook take with, so that if I have some wet papers, I will have them to put in between the pages while things dry. So I'll add those right now. I really talk with my hands a lot, don't I? All right, so I'm going to put those in the sketchbook, and that will go with me on our trip. All right. Next, I'll show you my watercolor kit. I wasn't going to take any watercolors, but the longer that I take to pack this up, the more I seem to add to my art supplies. So I'm trying to not add a lot, but I'm going to put in a small watercolor kit that I have. These are watercolors. The top ones are some metallics. I'm not sure the name brands. And then the small ones on the bottom, those are watercolors by Marsha. And I got those on Etsy, so I can link those below for you. If you're interested, leave me a comment and I will link those in the description below. And they had some really cool earthy colors. I thought that would be great for Arizona landscapes. I have a couple of brushes and an eraser here. I'm going to add a pencil to my kit. See, that is something that's nice to be able to look back at this. I'm going to rubber band my watercolors all together because I don't want them to open up while I'm traveling, right? We don't want to have any accidents. So I'm hoping that that will stay secure. Also, I am going to pack a bunch of acrylic markers, and I have this little Velcro bag that is a totally Tiffany bag. I'm not sure what the name brand is, but I have a couple of watercolor markers, and the rest of these are going to be acrylic markers, and I thought they might be fun to use on some of those gesso pages. So I've got some red and blue, another blue maybe for a sky. I pulled out a yellow, great big one, and some of these may end up being dried out by the time I leave Arizona. It's very dry there, and if that's the case, I will leave them behind, obviously, and I won't have to worry about bringing them back. I don't use acrylic markers very often, and I'm hoping that this will be the push that I need to maybe use them and see if it's something I want to invest more in or even keep them in my stash. I've got a gold one here. I've got a Presto correction marker, and that's a really great one. I love doing white highlights with those. That's really great to put in there. I've got a bunch of waterproof markers, and the reason I'm taking 5 of them is because a lot of them will be dried out by the time I get done, if I get to use them in my practice. I have one black that is water soluble, right here a Posca. I have a couple of water brushes that I am putting in the kit that I can use with my watercolors. Excuse me. Sorry about that. I had to take a breath and have a drink of water. I have a couple of pencils that I've included. I've got a charcoal. I've got a light brown and like a rust colored one. They are like a chalk pastel, and then I'm going to maybe swatch them out here for you to see if this is a extra soft, I believe, charcoal. This is a real nice earthy color for Arizona landscapes. Here's that rusty color. I thought that would be great. And then, of course, I have to have a black Stabilo. I can't leave home without my black Stabilo. And those look like some good pencils to take with. I've taken a nice soft big piece of charcoal because I am finding I love charcoal. Here is a glue stick in case I want to do any collage, a pencil sharpener that will sharpen all of the sizes of pencil, and then some Biva paper towel for the watercolor practice. I really hope I get to use some of these in the week that I'll be gone. But if not, that means that I'm enjoying my vacation, and when I get back, I will be able to go ahead and work with them because they'll be all together. Hoping that maybe I will get a little practice in before I leave to see if I have everything I need. Work with the kit one time, that would be nice, and maybe I'll film that for you for a video when I am gone. I put a couple of clean rags in there also into the Velcro pouch. Get rid of this basket, and it really closes well, so I thought, oh, there's a roll of washi tape too in case I wanted to mask anything off, mask any edges. Not sure if it'll fit in this bag. I think it does in the end, and I am going to put everything in together, and I have one nice compact kit. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to use anything. We never know, but I will be prepared, right? See if this big thing of markers fits in there, and it does. It fits in there well, and the kit that I put together has handles, so I think we will be safe and have everything inside one area. This will fit perfect in my carry-on. You never know if you're going to get a delay in the airport. Well, I'll have my carry-on, and if I'm sitting in an airport because of bad weather, here you go. I will be happy and content. I may not be looking at Arizona landscapes, but I could paint and draw anything, right? So I'm putting this in my carry-on for sure. I will try to get back to you and fix this computer problem that I have. I will work on a video possibly in the next week before I go and show you what I came up with. Have a great week. Enjoy the time while I'm away, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Have a good day.